Hey everyone, and welcome. Today we're going to talk about something I absolutely love, saving a ton of time with one ridiculously simple trick. We're talking about a keyboard shortcut in Excel that is so powerful it honestly feels like magic. So, let's get right into it.
But first, let me ask you a question. And be honest, how many hours of your life have you actually lost just cleaning up a messy spreadsheet? Come on, we've all been there, right? You're just staring at these columns of data that are so close to being what you need, but you know it's going to take hours of manual work to fix. And that brings me to this. If you are one of the countless people who has wasted an entire afternoon, manually splitting first names from last names or reformatting dates one by one, I'm here to tell you, you can stop. Seriously, stop immediately. That whole manual process is what I call the manual data trap. It's the way most of us learn how to do things, but it's a trap for a reason. It costs us way more than just a few minutes here and there. Let's just relive the pain together for a second. You've got your column of full names. You need just the first names. So you click the cell, you type John. You hit enter. You go to the next cell, you type Jane. And you just keep doing that over and over and over. It's so slow, it's boring, and let's be real, it's kind of soul-crushing.
And here's the thing, the real cost isn't just the wasted time. Every single time you manually type something, you risk a typo. That repetition just kills your focus. And honestly, in the data world, this is a total rookie mistake. But don't worry, there is a much, much better way.
Okay, enough with the problem, let's talk about the solution. It's time for you to meet your new best friend, your data cleaning magic wand. And the best part? It's been hiding inside Excel this whole time, just waiting for you to find it.
And look, I am not exaggerating when I say this. There is a better way. A way that's faster, way more accurate, and just so much more satisfying. It's called flash fill. Basically, it's this super smart Excel feature that just automatically fills in your data when it picks up on a pattern. And the key that unlocks all this power? It's just two little keys, Ctrl plus E. That's the one you want to remember.
So how does this magic actually work? Well, it's not really magic at all. It's actually something even cooler. It's incredibly smart pattern recognition. You're not casting a spell, you're just teaching a machine what you want. Okay, so take a look at this. This is the classic scenario, right? We've got our full name column, and then we have this sad, empty first name column that's just waiting for us to do all that manual work. This is our starting point. Now watch this. This is the entire process. 2 steps. That's it. First, you just give Excel one single example. You teach it the pattern by typing John into that first cell. Then, step 2, you just press Ctrl plus E. And boom, just look at that. The entire column is filled. Instantly, perfectly. Excel saw your one example. It understood the pattern. Hey, just grab the first word from the cell on the left. And it just did that for the entire list. That is the power we are talking about. But hold on, it gets even better. Splitting names is just the tip of the iceberg. The real magic of flash fill is how versatile it is. So let's look at what else this thing can do.
Seriously, this tool is a game changer. You can combine columns just as easily as you can split them. You can pull out just the initials from a list of names. You can reformat a whole column of dates. Need to strip all the weird formatting from phone numbers? Done. You can even pull usernames out of a list of email addresses. If there's a pattern, flash fill can probably figure it out.
So here's the big takeaway. This isn't just about being a little bit faster at a boring task. This is about fundamentally changing the way you work. It's about going from spending hours on data cleanup to spending seconds, which frees you up to do the important stuff, the strategic thinking.
I mean, the difference is just night and day. The old way was hours of frustration and it was full of errors. The flash fill way takes seconds and gives you confidence and accuracy. The choice is pretty obvious, isn't it?
1 second. That's really how long it can take to clean an entire column of data that might have taken you all afternoon before. Just think about that. 1 second.
It all comes back to that classic advice we've heard a million times. Tools like flash fill are what work smarter, not harder actually looks like in practice. It's all about using the tech you already have to get better results with way less effort.
And that's really what I want to leave you with. This isn't just about a neat Excel trick. It's about what that new efficiency unlocks for you. So, what could you actually get done? What bigger, more interesting problems could you solve with all of those hours that you just got back?